Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm in Dubai in the United Arab Emirates and will be showing you what it's like to travel on the Dubai Metro. We're starting today's journey from the DMCC metro station near the Dubai Marina area in the south of the city, and we'll be heading towards the EXPO 2020 station.
The train to Centre Point will arrive at platform 1.
The Dubai Metro has quite a few unique features for a metro system, one of them being sponsored metro stations, such as Centre Point or ADCB, named after the Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank. Today we are traveling on the Red Line, which mostly follows a wide freeway, meaning at many stations, if you want to access the west side, you will have to walk along a long corridor across the freeway. To travel on the Dubai Metro, you're gonna need a NOL card, which can easily be bought from a ticket machine or man at desk at all the stations. Once you have your NOL card, simply tap it on the gates and walk through to the platforms. The trains on the Dubai Metro are fully automatic and run frequently, about every 2 minutes in the peak hours and about every 5 minutes off peak. Let's get on board and head towards the EXPO 2020. And for another unique feature of the system, the metro trains have 3 classes of travel: women and children only section at the end of the train, standard class in the middle, and at the other end of the train a first class section called Gold Class.
Closing.
المحطة القادمة هي جبل علي، وهي محطة انتقالية بين الخط الأحمر ومسار 2020 لمترو دبي.
As we travel towards the EXPO 2020, let's take a closer look at the Dubai Metro network and our route today. The Dubai Metro consists of 2 lines, the red and green. The green line runs from Etisalat to Creek Station, while the red line runs from Centre Point down to Jebel Ali, where the line splits into 2 branches, with one running to the EXPO 2020 and the other one to UAE Exchange Station. The section I'm traveling on today is on the south end of the Dubai Metro Red Line, getting on at DMCC station and traveling to the end of the line at EXPO 2020. And now we're on the metro, it's time to sit back, relax and enjoy the ride.
Doors closing.
ستنتهي عند المحطة القادمة. على جميع الركاب مغادرة القطار في المحطة والرجاء التأكد من أخذ جميع أغراضكم الشخصية.
Your attention please. This train terminates at the next station. All passengers must leave the train at the station. Please take all your belongings with you when leaving the train.
And so we are approaching the EXPO 2020 station after a nice and swift ride with the Dubai Metro. As of publishing this video, there's only about 2 months left of the EXPO. After the EXPO, the station here will be renamed to District 2020 to reflect the future usage of the area. I hope you have enjoyed this short video of the Dubai Metro. If you have, I'd appreciate if you hit the subscribe button and like this video. If you want to keep up with my travels in real time, you can follow me on Twitter. The link is also in the description. Thanks for watching.